Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today, price made a pretty big move. Sure, it did pull back some, but from where it closed yesterday, where it closed today compared to where it was yesterday, good solid move. But that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no makes But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts. It just makes things very simplistic. And that level is right down here at $1.52. Why is $1.52 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're thinking, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.52. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what does that do to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see, right? Price making upwards movement as time goes by. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above that pink line there, the 200 period, that would make the chart look the strongest. But in my mind, $1.52 is definitely that must-hold level because that's the area, that's just going to show that the price is making progress as time unfolds. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue and if the price is going to get back up in that $1.80 range, where are some of these hurdles at? Initial area of resistance, right up here at that point of $1.65. And then after $1.65, essentially that's kind of a miniature blue sky breakout, not saying that the price is going to, run straight up to $1.80 within, 2.7 seconds. But, the price does have some space to move with a break of $1.65. But as it stands right now, top priority in my mind, not really breaking levels of resistance, more so just maintaining and building some higher bases. So we'll see if the bulls can stay up above $1.52 or not next week. So good way to end the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon the momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.